I just want to show you how to post a video note in the discussion board. So for Unit 1, I've asked you to create an impromptu video. An impromptu means off-the-cuff video. As you answer the questions I've posted for the discussion on communication strengths and challenges. So all you need to do to create that video is go right up, start a new thread, and then when you do that, you'll get to an empty box, and then you just go to this icon, insert stuff, and you click on the video note, and that will allow you to create up to a 3-minute video. So all you do is click on video note, and it will then as long as your computer has a camera in it, you will be able to create this video. And for those of you who have trouble with it and need to create it using your phones, I will, in this box, also show you how to create a YouTube account so that you could do that if you're not able to work on a computer with a camera.